आपका परिचय, आपका नाम।
अच्छा, okay. Hi, I'm Ridhima Malhotra. I head marketing for Gitanjali Salon, and we are very very happy to be in Bhubaneswar right now. We are in Forest Park, which is one of our flagship salon pan India. Uh,
Okay, why Gitanjali Salon is different from other salon?
So, if you look at our staff, we really focus on trainings, skills, products, Kerastars, L'Oreal, the quality of the salon, hygiene, everything is as per the standard of the brand. So, if you go to any city, you will see the same Gitanjali with the same quality of product, skills, staff, and hygiene as well.
Okay, Raja Festival will be held after some days. Everybody is hankering after that. Which type of benefit, which type of facility will give Gitanjali Salon regarding their product to the customer?
Right now, we are running 50% cashback on all our services, which is available in Forest Park and Esplanade Mall. So, whoever is celebrating, they can come and avail the services and get the benefits.
Okay, but one question I want to say, why did you choose Bhubaneswar for a suitable particular place for this salon?
I think there is a gap. This is a potential market for us, and it's been 5 6 years we have opened our first salon in Bhubaneswar, and the feedback and the love from the Bhubaneswar is amazing, and we are planning to open more salons very soon.
How much you excited?
We are very very excited. So basically, it's a 50-year-old French skincare brand we have introduced in India in past 2 3 months, and this is the first time in Bhubaneswar, only available at Gitanjali. Amazing results, clinically proved, and whoever wants to go to Dermat and at the same time wants to experience the salon service, they can come and experience Gino. It's for anti-aging, nourishment, all skin type, all age groups. So definitely, everyone should come and
Madam,
experience.
how much you excited? How much you optimistic that Gino product will appreciate, will affordable for all the audience of Odisha? How much you excited regarding this
We
product?
have already started, in our other branch, which is Gitanjali at Nexus Esplanade, and clients are giving really, really good response and feedback. So we are very hopeful that this is going to be the perfect brand for this market.
Okay, thank you so much.
सॉरी
आपका परिचय?
हाँ अच्छा मेरा नाम मुस्कान मथारू है आई एम फ्रॉम गीतांजलि सलोन एंड आई एम हैंडलिंग मार्केटिंग फॉर भुवनेश्वर इट्स बिन आई थिंक अ ईयर और सो एंड I think Bhubaneswar, I really like to come to Bhubaneswar. The people are so warm here, and every time, and I love that I can give people the pampering they deserve and make them feel comfortable at our salons.
Okay, why did you choose Bhubaneswar? For a suitable particular place for the salon, you could have done. You could have opened anywhere. But why did you choose Bhubaneswar for the suitable place? What the
Yeah,
main
so
reason
I
behind of it?
think Bhubaneswar has a lot of potential. I see that people, even men, women, both, they both want to get pampered and get, look fabulous, I think. And no, like even men these days, I see like a lot of men client coming to our salons and getting their services done, and
What will be the best offer for Raja Festival?
so we have offer running right now, which is 50% cashback on all services on minimum billing of 3,000. So you can on the next visit you can get the 50% cashback redeemed.
Why Gitanjali Salon is different from other?
Gitanjali, because I think it gives you very luxury services and makes you feel very beautiful, very good looking to men clients as well. And I think we are very warm and welcoming. and don't just provide services, we also make them feel that they are at a luxury place.
देखो एमती आम लाइफस्टाइल हो गलानी आम आग जाकि सेलून जाकि चुट्टी काट देकी फिटकरी लगे टे पलि आसलु चिकन चाकन होगी बट आजिकल समस्ते कॉन्शियस समस्ते भल देखा चाहते समस्ते टिपटप हो रहा चाहते एंड बहुत प्रकार सेलून अच्छी बहुत प्रकार ब्रांड ये आसीगला किंतु गीतांजलि भाया ऑथेंटिक सेलून बहुत कम समस्ते अन्य प्रोडक्ट यूज करके सेलून बनाती गीतांजलि निजर प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छी गीतांजलि एस्टाब्लीश होता 1989 रे सो सेबुटू जदि भावतु एक्सपीरियंस लोक अच्छा ट्रेंड लोक से ईच एंड एवरी क्लाइंट को टाइम देकी ट्रीटमेंट हेयर कट जी जिनस आमर गोटे पार्लर गोटे सैलून हुए सब तक बढ़िया करती मैंने विश्वास करते आप जो थे ये आसवे आपको इच्छा हम आउ थे आसपे इज नॉट एक्सपेंसिव बट इट इज गुड फॉर योर स्किन योर हेयर आप निजर ख्याल रखु स्त्री लोक मैंने जमी निजर पिला पचर दौड़े हजबैंड को पचर दौड़े सास ससुर काम देखिले घर काम देखिले आजिकल सब एम्पावरमेंट निजर बिजनेस रे मन दौरान सो सेलून निजर ट्रीटमेंट निजर टिके वेलबिंग निहाती दरकार एंड गीतांजलि इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेसेस टू बी
आज्ञा आम कहला कि सभ्य भाई सुंदरतार राज ब्यूटी को एनहांस करने मुख्य राज गीतांजलि सेलून
प्रथम हूँ मोर ब्यूटी किंबा गुड लुक्स राज होचने माँ बापा जीन्स जहाँ टी आसपर बयस है बेलू निजे केयर नवा कथा जमती भल खाइबा कथा सेमती भल प्रोडक्ट यूज करिया कथा शैम्पू हो कि स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट हो भल यूज करिया कथा गीतांजलि इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माय लुक्स मुझे झड़िया चाहूँगी आहुरी सुंदर दिशा चाहूँगी एंड आई वुड बी विथ गीतांजलि फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम फॉर श्योर